Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best cast iron pans ever made. Number 1. Lodge Skillet. Elevate your cooking experience with this versatile and durable cookware set designed to meet all your kitchen needs. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, each piece comes pre-seasoned for immediate use, delivering a natural, easy-release finish that improves with time and proper care. The set includes essential pieces perfect for frying, baking, searing, sautéing, and slow cooking, ensuring you can create a wide variety of dishes effortlessly. The cast iron cover features self-basting tips, which lock in moisture and flavor, making it ideal for preparing juicy roasts and tender stews. Easy grip handles provide secure control, even when wearing oven mitts, so you can confidently move from stovetop to oven or table. Renowned for its unparalleled heat retention and even heating, this cookware ensures consistent results, whether you're cooking on a gas stove, induction, or open fire. Durable enough to last generations, this set is perfect for home cooks and outdoor enthusiasts alike. While it is not dishwasher safe, cleanup is simple. Just rinse with warm water, dry thoroughly, and apply a light layer of oil to maintain the seasoning. With proper care, this timeless cookware becomes an indispensable kitchen companion. Number 2. Lodge Enameled Cast. Experience the perfect balance of style and functionality with this versatile enameled cast iron Dutch oven, designed to elevate your cooking and serving experience. With its ability to broil, braise, bake, and roast up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this kitchen essential is ideal for crafting hearty meals, from pot roasts to baked casseroles. Its elegant design ensures it transitions seamlessly from oven to table, making it as practical as it is beautiful. The porcelain enamel coating, bonded to durable cast iron, provides a smooth, non-porous surface that resists sticking, stains, and odors. This surface promotes caramelization for enhanced flavors and simplifies cleanup, although hand washing is recommended for longevity. The enameled interior is heat-tolerant, impervious to water, and safe for a variety of consumables, ensuring your meals are prepared in a healthy, non-toxic environment. Renowned for its superior heat distribution and retention, the heavy-duty cast iron ensures even cooking while reducing energy usage. The snug-fitting lid locks in moisture and flavors, perfect for creating tender stews or slow-cooked dishes. Designed for durability and backed by a legacy of quality craftsmanship, this Dutch oven is an indispensable tool for any kitchen, promising years of delicious meals. Number 3. Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan. Discover the ultimate combination of durability and versatility with this high-quality cast iron skillet, designed to elevate your cooking experience. Engineered for superior heat retention and even distribution, this skillet ensures perfect results whether you're searing a steak, sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or baking desserts. Its robust construction and versatile design make it ideal for use on stovetops, ovens, grills, and even campfires, delivering exceptional performance in any cooking environment. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, this skillet is ready to use straight out of the box, offering enhanced non-stick performance and rich, authentic flavors. Over time, its seasoning improves, making it an essential tool for crafting culinary masterpieces. Ergonomically designed easy grip handles ensure secure handling and safe transfers, even with oven mitts. Caring for this skillet is simple. After use, allow it to cool completely before washing with warm soapy water and a sponge. A light coating of vegetable oil after cleaning keeps it in optimal condition. While it is not dishwasher safe, its easy care maintenance ensures lasting quality and performance. Durable and versatile, this skillet is the perfect addition to any kitchen and makes a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. Number 4. Lodge Collection. Transform your cooking experience with this chef-inspired cast iron skillet, designed for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. With its spatula-friendly design, it allows for easy flipping, stirring, and serving, making it ideal for a variety of cooking tasks such as frying, sautéing, and searing. Pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box, this skillet boasts a natural, non-stick surface that enhances with every use, ensuring rich flavors and effortless cooking. Engineered for versatility, this skillet is compatible with all cooking surfaces, from gas and induction stovetops to ovens, grills, and even open campfires. Its exceptional heat retention and even distribution guarantee consistent results, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or crafting a gourmet dinner. Built to withstand high temperatures, it transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, giving you endless culinary possibilities. Designed with durability and convenience in mind, it's easy to maintain. Simply rinse, dry thoroughly, and apply a light layer of oil to preserve its performance. With its rugged construction and thoughtful design, this skillet is a reliable partner for indoor and outdoor cooking, making it an indispensable tool for your kitchen and beyond. Number 5. Lodge Iron Skillet. Discover the ultimate kitchen tool that combines tradition, versatility, and durability for all your cooking needs. This cast iron cookware is perfect for beginners, home cooks, and professional chefs alike. Designed to handle any cooking surface, including stovetops, ovens, grills, and open flames, it seamlessly transitions from kitchen to campfire. Crafted with iron and natural vegetable oil, its pre-seasoned surface ensures an easy release that only improves with use, making it a reliable companion for creating delicious meals. The seasoning process is a natural treatment where oil is baked into the iron, forming a protective, non-stick layer while preventing rust. Occasionally, you may spot areas that resemble rust upon delivery, which are simply oil spots that haven't fully carbonized. With regular use, these disappear, and your pan continues to develop a stronger, smoother seasoning. If actual rust occurs, it's easy to restore. Just scour, clean, dry, and reapply oil. With unparalleled heat retention and even cooking, this skillet is ideal for pan frying, roasting, and much more. Built to last and rooted in a legacy of craftsmanship, this cookware is made with non-toxic, PFOA and PTFE-free materials, ensuring safe and sustainable cooking for years to come. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.